What's up guys, welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. This is the third update on our property here in Buckeye. This is the Eviction house. It's actually the fourth week of renovations, but my guys were at another one of our properties last week, the one that I listed. So we didn't actually do any work here last week. So I wanna say it's 21 days in on this renovation and we are almost done. It's a 3-man team for the most part, and then I sub out the specialty skills like the bathroom, the tiling, the backsplash, stuff like that. But for the most part, our guys do the paint, LVP, baseboard. They pretty much do everything, all the hardware. So let's flip this camera around and give you guys an update. I believe it's Saturday now. I believe we're gonna be able to list this house in, hopefully we're gonna get cleaners on Wednesday, stagers Thursday, photos Thursday, list it Friday is the ideal goal here. So things are looking good. We went with the lighter LVP, darker cabinets, white backsplash, and we're changing out all the receptacles and outlets right now to that white color because a lot of those right there are like that vanilla. We got all the hardware in. We are adjusting this dining room light. It's awfully close to the countertop, so hopefully if we raise it closer to the ceiling, it'll look a little bit better and more distant. Otherwise, I don't know. I don't know why someone would put a dining room, this was a dining room light prior, and it's just awfully close to this countertop here. So we'll see if we leave it or have to replace it with just a normal light. We got some paint touch-ups, stuff like that. Backyard, we spent $3,900 on this. Our guys did this in all one day. They graded it, leveled it out, put turf, put paver border, stepping stones, gravel, and then cleaned it up as well. We have the primary bedroom over here, guest bathroom, looking good. Just gonna get a granite slab for this cabinet right here and hang a mirror, and we're good to go on that. Primary bedroom, this is the closet that had a fake door, or fake wall, excuse me. It's looking a lot better over here. And then the primary bathroom's looking super sharp. This is our normal standard color scheme that we do. Black hardware, love my light right here. New granite, new hardware over here. It's looking a lot better. This used to be absolutely trashed. And then we'll head upstairs and I'll show you guys that. We're still doing a little bit of work upstairs. Obviously, carpet is not quite in yet. So we have to get carpet installed on Monday, which is 2 days from now. They're doing paint touch-ups still here. The AC is like, I don't know what's wrong with it. It's extremely hot up here. I think our guys were trying to fix it yesterday, so still not working. We're gonna have to figure that out, but here we are. This bathroom was completely gone before, so we're gonna get a light, mirror. Everything else is done. We did the same scheme over on this shower, except I don't know why our guys did that instead. A little bit of touch-up work. Our guys are coming back to finish today, but yeah, it's looking good. We're gonna get closet doors in here. Let me see, does this need a closet door? Oh, it's already got a door, so this one needs a closet door. Replace all this and get carpet in it. It'll be looking good. There's some like minor issues with like our texturing, so we're gonna probably fix this as well because that's just horrible job they did with that. I think our roofer repaired this entire roof last week. Unless he forgot to do something and left it like this, someone's definitely been on our roof. So I sent him a picture of it to see. It looks like, I don't know what happened. I don't know why my guy would say he's done and then leave it like that. So very interesting. I don't know if he's gonna say it was him or if it truly wasn't him. Maybe someone tried to get in through that window right there. It is right by the window. Who knows? We don't have any knowledge of that, so I'm not gonna blame anyone. That is it, guys. The market is moving extremely fast right now. I'm getting I've been writing offers for my business partner on properties, and every single property that we've shown interest in, the agents called me back multiple times saying they're price dropping it. So it's an interesting situation because we have 5 properties, 6 or 7 properties right now that we have under our LLC. So we are listing this one now $25,000 under what we planned on listing it a couple months ago, and it'll just get, it's not going to get nearly the amount of traffic either, which is the biggest thing. So we're already kind of taking not a loss, but our profits were projected at 450 and now we're listing at 425. So it's moving extremely fast, and we've done that on the other one that we listed yesterday too. We just had to drop it $25,000 less than what we originally planned on doing it for. We still have margin in it, but it is a little bit concerning with how fast it's moving. But thank you guys so much. Drop a like, drop a comment. I'll give you guys another update next week once it's ready to go. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.